Hey friends, have you experienced this issue where Windows background error sound can be heard, but there is no flash of an error or no error comes up? Well, in this case, people want a resolution to it, and a lot of people found a resolution in this answer on the Microsoft Answers forum. So search for Control Panel in the Windows search bar and open Control Panel. Go to Hardware and Sound. In the Sound column, click on Change System Sounds. Now go to the sounds tab. It is at the playback tab by default. Go to the sounds tab and then go to sound, scroll down and select notifications. So it's in alphabetical order. I'll find notifications here. So we have sounds here. Scroll to the top and you'll find none. Click on none. Click on apply and then on OK to save the settings, and this will solve your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.